Hi, welcome to lesson 13 in the Excel for Busy Salespeople course. I am Byron Holloway, and this lesson is called Repeating Row Labels. It's probably more of an extension of the last labels, which is conditional formatting. So, what we wanted to do is here we have our list of data, and in the last lesson at the end, we covered how to create a formula in your data table that you can use to highlight. But if you don't want to go to that trouble, you just want to knock out a really quick report that says, here's the row labels, here's the customers that we need to contact. You'll remember I said you can't use like color formatting or anything else. So what's a quick way that I can do that? I could go here and highlight on this row and use color. And then later on, I could go in and try to sort by color, but that's not going to help me either because it then this row won't repeat. So I can go in and the instructions are here in the tab. You have to go under field settings and repeat row labels. So here I'm going to select here, going to choose pivot table tools, field settings, layout and print, and I want to repeat item labels. And there's all my item labels. So now, again, this is cheap and dirty. I wouldn't really want to use this for a large report or anything, but I'm just going to put a value over in this column. So I'll just put a 1 everywhere there's an orange row. So now I can take this entire data set and turn on filter, data filter, and I can just filter for the ones. And so that's a quick and dirty, very ugly report that shows me exactly, here's a quick list for the data set that we need. So these are the customers we need to contact. I can print this off. I can send it to my salespeople and say, make sure you talk to your customers that these products are end of life or extended lead time or whatever the issue is. So quick lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back next time and we'll talk about custom number formatting.